You may be aware that few days back there was an issue, and that is still the issue about the NGT having taken very seriously the rejuvenation of water of rivers. Now the tributaries for this, for the river Sal, which is in Margao Municipal Council jurisdiction, are the tributaries which are going to that in form of various nalas. Now many of these nalas have got contaminated, obviously for the reasons known to everyone. Now to make this stringent, government had implemented the sewerage connections, sewerage line. Now despite having sewerage line in the near vicinity, almost in the neighborhood, on the road opposite to your doorstep, the people are reluctant to take the connections. Now this is happening mostly in south side of the city. North part of the city is almost 80% covered. The south part of the city is lagging behind, including this market and this area. Obviously, when the municipal building was not connected, obviously we managed to do it. Now today we had held a meeting. It was supposed to be a joint inspection, but due to rains we could not take it. So we took the meeting here, and the stock of the entire situation was taken. It was attended by sewerage corporation officials, the JICA officials, then PWD work division 21, work division 1 and 3. Now it was observed that most of these commercial buildings, residential buildings, hospitals, eateries, they are the one who are still reluctant to take the building. This includes the education institutions also. Now we are going to be hammer and tongue after that. The 7 of the hotels were already issued the notices for getting connected to the sewerage for the sewerage line. Was not done for the reason I don't know, for the reason best known to me. Out of these 7, now only 2 can be taken as an exception. That's what the sewerage officials they told me. So balance 5, and as well as the Guru Ashish building and Meenakshi Hotel building, the final notices will be issued to them and under intimation to the pollution control board. Now what the punitive action, some kind of punitive action is necessary. You cannot use these stormwater drains which are now getting choked. The one of the reason attributed for this are these hotels which are releasing the domestic used water, and even there are some houses and complexes. So that creates a load, that creates silt, and if that silt is not taken out in a timed manner, this kind of water clogging in the first monsoon are bound to happen.